Conception vessel 17 is located in the midline of your chest, between your nipples or where your nipples used to be. Press into this area to find a spot that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is conception vessel 17. Activate conception vessel 17 by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tay Shin, it might look like this. After stimulating conception vessel 17, you may notice a sensation of heat or energy in your head, chest, or pelvis. This is normal and therapeutic.